There you go, about time. Got one. This is a nice brown here. First fish on the river. Nice little brown. There we go. Nice brown. There we go. Nice brown. Up here on the river, very early season, and it's very cold, the water temp. So, he's hooked pretty good. Using live bait. I'm using a lot of other things, and I haven't been getting them. There you go. Nice brown. So, getting back in. We get some more today. It's a pretty tough day, though, lately. Water temp, the ice has got off about 2-3 weeks ago, so it's still cold here for everything. So, we'll keep trying to see what else happens. This guy's fighting good, too. They're brown. A lot of head shakes. Very soft hits, which is weird to say. A little smaller one, but he's fighting good in this current. Oh, missed that. There we go. Now brown. Yeah, now brown. Nice. Get him back in. Nice. Look at that. Look at a nice little brownie. Yeah. All right. A freaking rainbow. Yeah. On a jerk bait. A rainbow on a rainbow jerk bait. He thumped that thing. Try to get him unhooked real quick. There, I'm gonna try to get this guy unhooked, guys. Nice rainbow on a jerk bait. Huh. New hole, new fish. That didn't take long. Oh, look, got a double header. Brown. Wow, barely hooked, guys. Like a freight train. Brown. He hit it like a brown. He hit that thing like a freaking brown. Nice brown. There we go. Nice trout. Get him back in. Awesome. There we go. Another one. This guy thumped it. Typical brown. Just slamming it. Not giant fish, but they feel giant. And they hit like a giant fish. These fish hit harder than a freaking 20-inch bass. Brown? Yep, the brown. Has to be a brown. Oh, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. He thumped that. Now he's coming up. It's a rainbow too. Yeah. Oh, my dad's dry going on. Are you snagged? Oh, that's a brown. Oop, there he goes. Oh, no, he doesn't. Get this guy hooked, guys. Nice rainbow. Might be wearing different clothes, guys, because ice just ate shit in the water. You guys would have loved it. I would have loved it too if I saw it on film, but yeah, this one's fighting pretty good. Hope the audio is good, guys, because I don't know. This thing was in the water. Nice brown, really nice brown. Yeah, it's a really nice fish. That's probably the nicest one for me today. There, man, he was hooked good. That's probably the nicest one of the day. Really nice fat brown. A nice one. Get him back in. By far one of the nicest trout of the day. There we go. Probably another nice brown. Man, they fight good in this current. Head shaking. Early season trout fishing. Oh yeah, brown. Nice brown. Yeah, nice cool colors too. Looks like a little tiger trout. Oh yeah. I'm getting one hooked, guys. Cool looking trout, but I'm gonna need to do some surgery on this poor guy. I think I'll get. What the hell? It was like he felt huge, small. It's probably a rainbow. Yep. What's that? A rainbow. I could tell that was a rainbow because he's like fighting like a nut. Usually rainbows like to fight. Like they fight more than the browns. Oh! He just stayed there. Had a quick release. Man, he hit it. My drag went too. You can tell when it's a brown. They're like slower fighters than the rainbows. More head shakes. Yep, brown. Yep. Brownie. I love brownies. Come on, buddy. There you go. Yep, nice brown. Really nice brown. The browns are nicer than the rainbows. Like, that's not my blood, guys. Actually, that trout, that was gut hooked. Not gut hooked, but hooked in the gill. He swam away perfect. I didn't get him that bad. It's just barely in there. You just don't want to rip it out. Just make sure, you know. But a nice trout. Really nice trout. Oh, nice fish. Get him back in. Perfect. Damn. Just twirling around. Big, nice brown. Yeah. I like them fighting in the current. Nice fish. Really nice fish. That's how you land a brown right there, or any trout. Barely hooked, which is perfect. I knew he was barely hooked because he felt like do. Like, I kind of set the hook. He didn't. Nice trout, guys. Cool dots on him. Let's get him back in. I missed a couple fish in there, and I finally got them. My drag was super loose. It's a brown. It's a nice one, too. Felt nice when you screamed drag out for a second. Ooh. Wow. He went right into that. Nice browns today. Really nice fish. Get him unhooked. Oh, barely hooked. Barely hooked, guys. That's how it is cold water fishing, guys. It's just, these fish are like just barely hitting it, but they're hitting it hard. Get them in, guys. What a beautiful fish. I love brown trout. It's nice to get them. Nice. Let's get them in. All right, guys. I don't know how it's filming it. I'll know when I see the video, but it's acting. The GoPro's acting weird. It's acting good now, but getting a little wet. There we go. Nice little rain. You can tell the difference between rainbows and browns. The rainbows don't hit as hard. It's fighting. I'm just staying in the car. All right, let's switch him over. Nice. All right, guys. Really nice fish. I'm getting a lot of hits in there again. Nice little rainbow. All right, guys, home now. Overall, it was a pretty good day. Solid day of fishing. It was very tough in the beginning. I couldn't dial in those fish. I actually didn't think I was going to make a video because I couldn't dial them in. It was the water temp's really cold yet. It's upper 30s. They're not aggressive yet, but we got them on the spinners and spoons right at the end. We did really good. You just got to find a group of active fish when it's like that. You got to move around and it was just a hit or miss today, and we hit them pretty decent at the end. My dad caught quite a bit too, so like we caught some really nice browns today. But like I said, just you gotta fish. You gotta really fish for ones like this. It's not like springtime where you can go to like any hole and pop a good amount. No, this time of the year, well, this early season, early March yet, the water temp's cold still. I said it was 39, so that's pretty cold. So I like to fish those slower, deeper holes. But the rod I'm using, guys, today, I've been using it for last year, the year before. 7-foot light action Avid Panfish series from St. Croix. It's a great rod. It's one of my favorite rods of all time, honestly. It's a great rod. I caught some really nice fish on this rod. I got nice channel cap, pike, everything on that rod. But great trout rod. I got great backbone. That's what I was using. 5-pound braid and 6-pound tests. But anyways, guys, just keep fishing if it's not that great. That's what we kept fishing, and we ended up getting them today. So some really nice browns today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't that much action or that crazy of a video with a lot of fish, but it was something. I didn't think it was gonna be a video today, but overall, solid day of fishing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Later, guys.